Guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, today I'm gonna be making purple kale. Here it is, guys, with some purple carrot, apple and beetroot drink. So guys, I'm gonna wash them. So guys, let's get into it. So guys, I'm cutting the kale. I'm gonna use maybe just 4 pieces. And of course, guys, I will use 2 beetroot, so guys, I'm gonna go over to the sink and wash this beetroot and apples. So here are the apples, guys. So guys, I'm gonna put my baking soda in, pour some lime juice, I normally use my little green gloves to wash, but guess what, guys, I don't need that for the kale. I'll just use the brush to brush around this part here, and as you can see, it's no dirt, it's just how beetroot is around the part where you cut. So I'm just gonna wash these quickly. As for the apples, these are easy to wash, guys, the apples. And as for the carrot, I will brush them. And it's not dirt on them, it's just the purple. Let them look that way. So guys, I'm going to rinse everything. That's what the water look like. So we're gonna let out and then rinse. Easy, guys, easy to wash and rinse with this basket. And then we're gonna go through the leaves like this, rinse them, So guys, this is it. So guys, I'm going to start by just peeling away most of the skin of the beetroot. You don't need to. These are so pretty and clean. So I'm going to leave most of the skin on it. So guys, this drink that I'm making is good for your brain. To kickstart the brain, guys. Anything with this color is good for the brain. So I'm going to use the apple as the sweetener, and I'm going to peel my purple carrot, just like this, guys. And these are quite sweet. I've ate one, and it's so nice. So guys, this is it. So as for the apples, I'm not going to core them, guys. I'm going to use 2 of the carrots and leave 1. So guys, this is it. Everyone should try and make fresh juice and invest in a juicer. It is so easy to juice with my Coven River A30. So guys, we are going to start our juicing. And this is my main ingredients. So everything today is this color. Look at them. Wow. So guys, the carrots can go in the juicer just like that, but I'm just gonna cut up my beet into sizes that can fit in the feeding chute of the juicer. So this carrot look like it will go through easy over. You know what, I should just slice the top into 2 pieces. Wow guys, look at the juice on the knife. And that's about it, guys. And let me quickly just peel this lime. And the lime is good. When you put this in your drink, it's so refreshing. So let's start the video. Here we are. So guys, we're gonna start by putting a carrot in, and we're gonna turn on the juicer, and we're gonna keep putting in some beetroots as we go along. And as you can see, the kale, the carrot, and the beetroot started to mix in the mixing bowl, and the trash is coming out. I'm gonna use this trash to make some smoothie, so I'm gonna collect it and put it in Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna freeze it, guys. So let's pop a piece of the purple kale in. So now we're gonna put some more beetroot, and beetroot helps to lower your blood pressure, and the purple kale has magnesium in it. So the purple kale is rich in vitamin A, C, and K, and has calcium iron in it. So guys, check this out. So guys, my mixing bowl is almost full, and we are coming around to the time when we are gonna serve our drink. So guys, the kale has a number of names: red Russian kale, winterborn kale, redborn kale, and scarlet kale. And the purple kale also help with weight management, it control blood sugar level, support bone health, and much more, guys. Eyesight, cancer prevention. So guys, this is the first batch of drink, and we're gonna let it out. Wow, look at that, guys. So guys, as always, I'm gonna turn on the juicer and just let the rest of it pump out. So we'll pump out the last bit of juice and start. So guys, this is what I have left. So we are gonna do the second batch of drink. So I start by putting in my fruits, my beet. So I'm gonna turn on the machine. So guys, I'm talking more about the kale, the purple kale, because it is an antioxidant, which are compound to help against cell damage and diseases. So this is why this drink is so important for you to incorporate. So here is the kale, guys, with a bright color. I'm just crushing it with my hand so it can go in the juicer. Look at it. Look how bright colored it is, guys. And the purple kale also boosts the immune system, guys. It is so good. I urge everyone, you can steam it, you can do what you want to do with it, but I make drink from it. So here I'm popping in an apple a day keep the doctor away, and a few pieces of beet. I just love the color of this drink. You know, when I saw the kale, it just popped in my head right away to blend it up with the beetroot, the lemon, and the apple. So the apple is the sweetener, guys. You know, one day I'm gonna try it without the apple and see how it tastes. So here we are popping purple carrot in, Look how beautiful that looks. And here we have our kale. And we are almost now to the ending of the second batch of this drink. So guys, we're gonna let out the second batch of juice. So here we go. That's the brain food, guys. Wow. The purple carrot, purple kale, apple, and lime. So let's get into the serving of our drink. So guys, now we're gonna share the drink. Look how rich this is, guys. That is it, guys. So guys, subscribe to the channel for more. And remember, I use beetroot, purple kale, and purple carrot. Or if I didn't put any carrot around here, I could cut up some, but I'm not gonna do that. So guys, see you in the next video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend. Have a lovely weekend. Bye for now. Hope you will try this powerful juice for your brain. So this is a brainstorm, guys. Clear up the brain. So guys, that's the purple kale. I stick just a piece. Where the trash is. So this is it, guys. I'm gonna try and see if I can plant some of this around the back.